Here we are at Lady Walk in February of 2023. This is our native robin. And here we have the greater spotted woodpecker. This one is a male. On the ground we've got a dunnock, and now it's joined by a chaffinch. The muntjac is right alongside the hide today. Looks as if he's eaten a lot of food and is now digesting it. More muntjac out in the field, looking across from hide A. Two Canadian geese, a male and a female. The elusive kingfisher. This female is hidden amongst the trees. Looking down from the riverside hide, there are a number of birds about today. Cormorants, black-backed gulls, lapwing. This black-backed gull has just been eating crayfish, and now it's regurgitating the crayfish to eat them again. Watch as he picks up another crayfish that he's just brought up and eats it again. A group of male shoveler ducks. Here we have a group of widgeon, Canadian geese, and of course the lapwing. There were a lot of muntjac about on that day. This one was to the right of the hide. a group of widgeon and teal. A close-up of a coot who now decides to have a dance. An oyster catcher with a cormorant and a few lapwing. This is a mute swan with 2 female shoveler ducks and 1 male. A group of lapwing and a shoveler duck. Here we have 2 shoveler ducks with lapwing, and finally on our way out there was another muntjac by the car park under the feeders. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for now.